Smile, happy, yeah. Smile, happy, smiley face. Smile, happy, yeah. Smile, smiley face.
Hello, my name is Belinda.
Hello, my name is Saga.
Hello, my name is Amanda.
I learned how to communicate and give directions and help the people at the reception.
What I learned during the internship is being more social and speaking better English.
I learned how to work with people from different countries and to find efficient solutions.
I like the weather and the people and the sea.
Something I like about Cyprus is that the people here are much more friendlier and social than in my country, and I really like the weather here.
What I like about Cyprus is the weather and how nice the people are here and how social you can be.
My favorite moment was meeting new people from different countries and learning about new and different cultures.
The favorite thing about Erasmus is that you meet new people and get new friends.
I can't choose just one memory, I have to choose all of them because this has been a life experience that I'm going to remember for the rest of my life.
You see different parts of the world and get new experiences and see something else in the world and learn new things.
I would recommend Erasmus Plus to people that want to get new work experience and try themselves.
I would recommend Erasmus because why not, and you only live once, so you have to take all the experience and all the memories you can get. Thank you, Shikron!
Smile, happy, yeah. Smile, happy, smiley face. Smile,